Hey everyone! I wanted to do something different on this vlog. I've honestly been struggling on how to make my vlog even more unique. I mean, I love the usual unboxing and tech reviews, but let's do something different. Maybe once a week, I can release this segment wherein I just talk about tech. This is a blank canvas as of now. I'm treating this as sort of a pilot episode to see if you guys like it. Think of it as a podcast but with videos. If you have any ideas, I'm all ears. Do comment down below. So let's get things started. Today in Take 5 with me, I'll be sharing you guys some fun facts about the iconic Jony Ive. Some of you may have known him as the guy with the amazing voice in Apple videos, so let me roll some clips.
I think there is a profound and enduring beauty in simplicity. For more than a decade, our intention has been to create an iPhone that is all display. Touch ID defines the next step of how you use your iPhone.
Yeah, so that's the guy I'm talking about. I've recently been into biographies and I was in awe with the biography of Jonathan Ive. The book is entitled Jony Ive, the Genius Behind Apple's Greatest Products by Leander Canny. This book introduces us to Jony Ive and how he came to be, and introduced us mainly to his entire way of thinking. When Apple says think different, he really did think different from the others. I won't be giving you guys a summary of the book, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave it on the description down below. For now, I'll give you guys 5 fun facts about the legend of Jony Ive. Number 1, if you guys don't know him yet, Jony basically used to spearhead all of the product design in Apple back then. Examples would range from the iPod, the iPhone, the iPad. Should I even keep going? iMac, the MacBook Air, the Apple Watch, and he helped out with so much more. He's basically the guy that we should be thanking for all of the world's greatest gadgets. I realized that the thing with Jony is that he is a great product person just like Steve Jobs. So when Jony's designing, he would always look back to the core purpose of a product and start from there. Number 2, Jony Ive is the reason as to why Apple products started out white and why our cables are all white now. Black felt cheap to Ive, something disposable. It may seem white, but it's actually moon gray. Steve Jobs disliked the idea of white cables and pushed for the gray ones instead. So an example of this would be our old earphones and our cables. Maybe I can put a photo up here. Number 3, he used to be an intern for Zebra and did extremely well. They actually let Jony release one of his designs for a pen. I'll put the pictures right here. And what was unique about this was Jony actually emphasized on having the perfect fiddle factor in a pen. I guess you can really see here how this man thinks when he designs his products. Jony would really think about how the customer sees and uses each product. Number 4, do you guys notice how every time we lift our MacBooks, it would open right from where we left off? This started with Jony's initial design on the titanium PowerBook way back. He wanted to integrate this magnetic latch that would wake the Mac when it opened. This later on transitioned to be an industry standard. It was even made more popular when it was placed on the iPad smart covers, the one with lots of colors for the iPad 2. Number 5, I wanted to leave you guys with the way that Jony thinks about innovation. I feel that this word is overused and misunderstood. To Jony, innovation isn't this one big thing. It's a series of small things and paying attention to the little details. It may not be noticed much, but it totally changes the way that you interact and feel about the product. So that is it for this episode. Let me know who you guys want next featured for next week's episode in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.